Good morning. Today I, Diva,
And I, Priti.
will demonstrate a simple yet fascinating experiment, the balloon rocket, which helps illustrate Newton's second and third laws of motion.
To begin with, we have a string stretched tightly between two supports. Through it, we have passed a straw that will guide the balloon's motion.
We have also attached the balloon to the straw using adhesive tape. When the balloon is released, the air escaping from it propels the balloon forward along the string. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. The air coming out of it is the action force and the forward motion of the balloon is the reaction force.
This motion demonstrates Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The air pushes backward and the balloon moves forward. It also illustrates Newton's second law of motion, which relates with force and acceleration. More air inside the balloon creates greater force, causing the balloon to accelerate faster.
So this small experiment clearly shows how action, reaction and unbalanced forces work together to produce motion, the same principle that propels real rockets. Thank you for your attention.